We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva. I'm back with another haul video. This is my second time trying to film this video. I just had some camera issues and I hope it's over, but I digress. Let's go ahead and let's get into this haul. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about my haul for today. I went to the website for Armani. Let me go back. I was going to go to, I was on the Chanel website and I was about to buy one of their new matte lipsticks, and you know, it's in the matte bullet, and I'm loving the new matte packaging that they're having for their matte line, but I told myself, no, just hold on. So I went over to the Armani website and I saw that they had a gang of new stuff, and I was like, no, you cannot get everything. You're only gonna get one thing. You're only gonna get one thing. And so the first thing that I got was a lipstick. Okay, this is the packaging for the lipstick. Look at the packaging. It is very sleek and beautiful. You guys, I'm in love with this. It does have a matte look to it, and here's the color right here. I already used it. I'm actually wearing this lipstick today, so I have already used this lipstick. You guys, it is so beautiful. Let me do a swatch of it. Okay, there's the swatch of this lipstick. You guys, it's beautiful. The color is called Kimono. Just beautiful. It's number 502, Kimono. The best part about this lipstick though is the fact that you can get your lipstick engraved with whatever you want. You have up to 10 characters. I put my YouTube channel name on mine, GlamRight. I just love this. It is so cool, you guys. If you want to get your wife or your spouse something that they will love and cherish, I would say get them this and put on here. I saw on the website they put I love you on it, or you can get their name engraved on it. If you're wanting to get your parents a gift, your mother a gift, this would be so nice for their birthday or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I love this. I think you can get a lot of the items engraved. I do plan on getting other lipstick colors. I'm wearing this lipstick color today, but I'm wearing it with my MAC lip liner in Current. I'll show you what that looks like. There is Current right next to the Kimono lipstick. This is what it looks like blended out, but you can see that on my lips. Okay, all right, so after that, you guys, I was looking at their potted shadows. I thought that they were getting rid of their potted shadows. You guys, I have a couple of their potted eyeshadows. This is the old formula. I'll show you it real quick before I show you the new ones that I got. Okay, so the old ones come with this little stopper on top, and you just remove that. Okay, here is the shadow, you guys. This shadow is it's a little bit powdery, but just a little bit. Like if you like scrape your finger across, you could make powder. It's not gonna kick product around. Here's the swatch of that. This color is number 6. It's called Khaki Pulse, and that's the only color name that I remember. But you guys, I just love these, and I thought that they were getting rid of them, but they weren't. They were just reformulating them. The salesperson told me that they were going to be bringing out more, so just wait. And I'm glad I did, because okay, they came out with the Eyes to Kill Stellar eyeshadow pots. Okay, these do not have a stopper on top. but they are so gorgeous. This is my favorite of the two that I bought. This one is like a champagne, like a gray steely champagne color. Yeah, and it's also the color that I'm wearing on my eyes today, but I will go ahead and swatch it for you. This one feels so different from the old ones. This is like putty. It feels a little wet, but not cream. It just is totally different, totally different. And I'm gonna swatch it right next to the Khaki Pulse, and I just love it. It is so beautiful. Number 4 is called Stardust. I only got one other one. Okay, I'm really thinking about going back and getting 2 more. They have at least 6 different shades, and these are $35 a piece, so that is very pricey. But the formula is just so good, and the colors are so beautiful. So let me go ahead and swatch this one. This is number 4. And like I said, number 4 is called Stardust. The one I showed you before is number 2. Number 2 is called Halo. Number 4 is called Stardust. And look at that, you guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And let me swatch this one as well. This one is more of a bronzy gold color, and this one right here is more of a satin, like champagne gray looking color. Okay, so those are the only things that I bought in this haul, but you guys, I really wanted to compare those shadows to 2 other brands of shadows that are in the same type, but not really. The first one that I thought of was the Chanel Ombre Premiers, and I pulled out my favorite one, which is Trois Brulee, and it looks like this. You guys can tell that I use this a lot, but this one is more of a putty feel, but it's still a beautiful color. It just feels like putty. There's that color right there. Okay, the last one that I wanted to compare it to is the Dior Show Fusion Mono, and this one is in Meteor. And to me, the Armani Eyes to Kill Stellar feels mostly like this one, but this one is a little bit drier. But I don't know if that's because this is older. Not by that much, because it's only about a year old. But this one is older. Okay, this is what the Dior Fusion Mono in Meteor looks like. Okay, this is Khaki Pulse. Number 2. Number 4. This is Chanel Ombre Premier in Trois Brulee, and this is the Dior Show Mono Fusion Meteor. And all of them are beautiful in their own right. I do love all of them. The lipstick is $38. I don't know if you can get your lipstick engraved in store, but if you can't, then I would suggest that you go online, place your order, and get yours engraved. It only took like maybe a day for them to engrave it, and it was sent out to me. It was, yeah, it really was not that long of a wait for me to get it in. The Stellar eyeshadows, these are $35. You guys, these are so much fun. I love these colors. Today's look took me no time. I just put my Viseart in my crease, and then I placed this on top. I didn't even use glitter glue this time, and usually I always use glitter glue, but I was okay with not using the glitter glue. and the eyeshadows stayed in place. I loved it. You will not get any fallout from this at all. So you can do your eyes before, after, however you do them. I always do my eyes before I put my makeup on. It's just how I've always done mine. But yes, they have 6 colors. These are, like I said, these are $35 a piece. I love them. I think that's it, you guys. All right, until next time, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.